Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get shareable link on Google Calendar. So for to get a shareable link on Google Calendar to share with your workmates or your friends, here's how you can get it done. Just go to a particular event you want to share with your mate. Just double click on it or probably a single click. Okay, now just move down to just drag down to the particular event, and you click on this three dot icon, and you can click on the settings and sharing. Right here, scroll down a little. Okay, right here you can edit. You can click on this option, it's shareable link. Click on it, then decide to share. Copy this link and paste it to your clipboard. You can go to your clipboard and copy, or you just copy straight and paste it to your friends or your mates who to share your event calendar with in Google Calendar. If any be helpful, I can follow for more. Thank you.